Welcome. If you've pinned a channel on WhatsApp and now want to unpin it, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through the latest way to unpin a channel on WhatsApp based on the most recent update. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version to ensure everything looks exactly as described. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Updates tab. This is where all your channels, status updates, and recent posts appear. Now, scroll through your list of channels and find the one you currently have pinned. You'll notice that pinned channels usually sit right at the top, making them easy to spot. Next, long press on the channel you want to unpin. When you do this, you'll see a few icons appear at the top of your screen. Among those icons, look for the pin symbol. It might look highlighted or active, showing that the channel is currently pinned. Go ahead and tap that pin icon once. The moment you do, the channel will unpin and return to its usual position in the list, depending on when it was last updated. That's it. You've successfully unpinned a channel on WhatsApp. To double check, look again at your channel list. The unpinned channel should no longer appear at the top, confirming that the process worked. It's a quick fix, but super handy, especially if you follow multiple channels and like keeping your feed organized. Remember, you can always pin it again later if you change your mind. Just long press and tap the same pin icon once more. Thanks for watching.